Hello, young scientists. Welcome back to our Abdali Grammar School YouTube channel. Today we're going to explore the fascinating topic of changes in living things. Changes in living things are the different ways plants and animals grow and transform over time. Living things go through various stages or steps as they get older and become adults. These changes can include growing bigger, developing new body parts, and learning new behaviors. Understanding these changes helps us learn about how living things grow and how they are different from one another. To understand the changes in living things, let's begin by exploring the life cycle of plants. Plants go through an incredible transformation from a tiny seed to a mature plant. Let's take a closer look. Seed germination. It all starts with a seed. Inside that small seed lies the potential for a new plant. When the seed finds a suitable environment with enough water, warmth, and oxygen, it begins to germinate. The seed absorbs water, causing it to swell and break open, and a tiny root called the radicle emerges. Seedling growth. As the seedling grows, it pushes its way above the soil. Leaves start to appear, and the young plant begins to photosynthesize, turning sunlight into food. It grows taller and stronger, developing more leaves and branches. Flowering and pollination. As the plant matures, it may produce beautiful flowers. These flowers are crucial for reproduction. They attract pollinators like bees, butterflies, and birds, which transfer pollen from the male part of the flower to the female part, enabling fertilization. Fruits and seeds. After pollination, the flower undergoes changes and transforms into a fruit. Inside the fruit, seeds form. The fruit protects the seeds and helps them disperse to new locations. When the fruit is ripe, it may fall to the ground, get carried by animals, or even float on water to find a suitable spot to grow. Let's move on to the life cycle of animals. Now that we've explored the incredible life cycle of plants, let's shift our focus to the life cycles of animals. Animals also go through remarkable changes as they grow and develop. Let's take a closer look at some common animals like cows, cats, frogs, and butterflies. Life cycle of a cow. Cows are mammals, and their life cycle begins when a calf is born. The calf relies on its mother for milk, which provides essential nutrients for growth. As the calf grows, it starts eating solid food and develops into a young cow. Eventually, it reaches adulthood and can reproduce, continuing the life cycle. Life cycle of a cat. Cats go through a similar life cycle. They are born as tiny kittens and depend on their mother for milk. As the kittens grow, they learn to walk, play, and explore their surroundings. With proper care and nourishment, they become adult cats, ready to lead independent lives. Life cycle of a frog. Frogs have a fascinating life cycle that includes an aquatic and a terrestrial stage. It all starts with eggs laid in water. The eggs hatch into tadpoles, which have gills and live underwater. Over time, the tadpoles grow and develop lungs. They undergo a metamorphosis, transforming into adult frogs capable of living both in water and on land. Life cycle of a butterfly. Butterflies undergo a remarkable transformation known as metamorphosis. They start as eggs, which hatch into caterpillars. The caterpillar grows rapidly, shedding its skin multiple times until it reaches its full size. It then forms a chrysalis or pupa, inside which the caterpillar undergoes a remarkable transformation. Finally, a beautiful butterfly emerges from the chrysalis. Remember, nature is full of wonder and diversity, and by studying these life cycles, we can better appreciate the beauty and complexity of the living world. Stay curious, young scientists. and keep exploring the wonders of science.